peoples, I am back at hybrid racing after, what, David, 5-6 years? It's been a minute. And there's been a lot of changes on the FK8. The last time I drove the FK8, I think it only had a downpipe installed, lowering springs. I don't know if it had the Titan wheels on it. It probably, dude, it was years ago. It was back in 2019. I think when they first got the car. Anyway, David and the team at Hybrid has done a ton of to this car. And I want in.
Now, whatever it is you're in on, I want in on it too.
Today's video, I have a POV drive style video for y'all. Hope you guys enjoy. It's my first time driving this car, now at 450 horsepower. May not sound like a lot in today's standards of horsepower, which is weird, but that's fast. David took me for a ride in it yesterday. That's fast. And now it's my turn to get behind the wheel of the old girl and show her what I done learned over the years, you feel me? So, without further ado, let's get this going.
Been throwing a fresh fish. It's my birthday. Turn me up, give me.
Hold on. My back be hurting too much for that. You still filming?
Been throwing a fresh fish. It's my birthday. Turn me up, give me.
All right, let me drive this car. I'll show y'all this after, but yeah, as you can see, David went full hot boy. We have a Zest-Tech steering wheel, no centerpiece, that shit's gone. Get that out of here. X-bar brace member thing in the back, fully gutted. Yeah, he did the works on this thing. But how does it sound? Zosh, how does it sound? I don't know, I have no keys. Never mind, I have keys. It does have the hybrid racing exhaust. Ooh, this thing is sick. I haven't been inside of an FK8 of this caliber in my life. This is my first time driving a, I guess, track spec or super street spec FK8, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's been so long. Oh yeah. This is gonna be so fun. Oh my. Oh, this is gonna be lit. This is gonna be too fun. The last time I drove this car, it didn't have any of this. This has all been added. Like, the way this car is built right now is insane. Oh, I'm stoked, bro. Like, this Zest-Stick steering wheel is fire.
Fire.
I think this car is going to be the decider. The decider of what, Zosh? I don't know. But I think it's going to be the decider that I've been contemplating in my life. As a 30-year-old, I think it's time for a change. Oh my God. I need this. I need this so much. Oh my God. This car fucks. And the cool thing about this car, bro, it has AC. It still retains factory AC. Oh, give me the air. Give me the air. Yeah, dude. This. popped off. Dude, 450 horsepower in this car feels amazing. Like, I understand it's the big talk around town about not having 400 horsepower. I know. Zosh, bro, 450 horsepower is not fast. To you, bitch, 450 horsepower to me? Oh, this feels great. This feels money. Oh man, like, I can't wait to thrash her. I'm finna thrash on girl. Baby, I missed you. It's been a minute. I missed you, baby girl. But guess what, pimpins? It's finna get active. We finna get active. Right? You just wait till we find some roll. Oh, we by the party. Sorry about the noise. I'm sorry. God, I just want to. So good, man. You're giving us some room. Do I go third? I'm gonna go second. Louisiana do have some really nice roads. The roads here are really nice, bro. The fact that you can do stuff like this on these roads is like, bro, can you imagine, like, dude, these roads are sick, bro. These roads are sick. The gas light on. Oh my god. This car dude. This car Ah! Damn, we got no gas, dude. Literally no words, bro. Like, the roads here to do this, fire, dog. Fire, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh man. What's that thing that Kobe said?
Job's not finished.
fixed. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm happy. So there you have it. My FK8 review wasn't really a review. I just wanted to thrash on the car, and I did just that. I had such a fantastic time. Babe, say hi.
Hello. The world says hello.
Don't piss me off. You ain't have to do all that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. They're going to be like, oh my god, he's such an abuser. I'm black. What do you think? Stereotypes over here. Shout out to Hybrid. Shout out to everyone at Hybrid for allowing such thing to happen. I had such a fun time over there. I'll be back there in a month. So whatever car that's there that you guys want me to review, leave it down below in the description boxiones. Maybe David will let me drive the EK9. That'd be fun. That'd be super fun. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, or enter our giveaway, please do that. Randy has an announcement for that, so be sure to be following our Instagram pages for that beautiful announcement that we recorded today. It's gonna actually be a big one, so look out for it. And with that being said, I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. You wanna say my outro for me?
I was already saying it in my head.
With that being said, I have nothing else to say but...
I'm out. Peace.
Oh my god, we're so gay.